Excellent. So we're going to use the Scanning Electron Microscope to take some images first, and then we'll explore some of the other tools. We'll start by loading a sample inside the chamber. Which you can see on the image on the screen, and I'm going to pump the chamber down to what we call high vacuum. Okay, so once we've evacuated the chamber, we have this little green indicator letting us know that we can turn the electron beam on, so I'll do that. And then we can turn on one of our detectors. Let's see if we can find our sample. Adjust the contrast and brightness. And there we have a pretty good grayscale image of the sample that I just mounted. And I can zoom in to try and look at fine or microscopic features on that sample. Go ahead and do that. Need to adjust the focus. Now we can see, in this case, some crystal facets on this zinc sulfide sample. If I wanted to know not just what the sample looked like, but what it's made of, I can use this other tool over here. First, move the sample up to be closer to that detector. And now I can go over here. And I can run a spectrum of the X-rays that are generated when the electron beam hits the sample and see what this is made of. To do that, I'm going to park the beam right in the middle of my crystal there. And I will turn off the lamp inside the chamber, which would interfere with our X-ray detector. And then I can take a spectrum. Great. So very quickly, we've used the main tools here. We've used the Scanning Electron Microscope to create an image of what the microstructure of my sample looks like. And then over here, using the X-ray spectrometer, I have determined what the sample is made of. And so here we get peaks corresponding to X-rays from zinc and sulfur. And so that crystal that we're looking at right there is zinc sulfide.